Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of phone tracking using Kali Linux, the Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity pros. We'll explore 15 of the most powerful phone tracking tools in Kali Linux 2026, breaking down what they do and how they're used in ethical hacking and digital forensics. Remember, these tools are for legal, professional use only. Misuse is a crime. Let's get started. First up is PhoneInfoga, the go-to OSINT tool for phone numbers. It builds a profile around a number by scouring public data, carrier, country, social media, and more. It's passive, discreet, and often the first step in any investigation. Security pros use it to verify identities and build threat profiles without touching the target device. It's a reminder of how much we reveal online just by using our phones. Next is Trape, a tool that uses social engineering to track devices. By sending a crafted link, you can collect a target's IP, device info, and even GPS if they grant permission. It's a powerful way to demonstrate the risks of phishing and the importance of user awareness. Trape's real lesson: the weakest link is often human trust, not technology. For ethical hackers, it's a top tool for simulating real-world attacks. Number 3 is Metasploit Framework, the ultimate platform for penetration testing. It can exploit vulnerabilities on mobile devices, deploy payloads, and even stream GPS data if access is gained. Used ethically, it helps organizations find and fix security holes before attackers do. Metasploit is more than a tool, it's the entire workshop for digital forensics. But with great power comes great responsibility. At number 4, Maltego shines as a visual data mining tool, making it a favorite among digital investigators and cybersecurity professionals. Its intuitive interface and powerful features allow users to dig deep into the digital world, uncovering connections that might otherwise remain hidden. You can start with something as simple as a phone number or an email address, and Maltego will automatically map out a web of connections, linking social media profiles, IP addresses, physical addresses, and more into a clear, interactive visual graph that's easy to explore. The real power of Maltego lies in its ability to connect scattered data points, helping you reveal hidden relationships and patterns that would be nearly impossible to spot manually. It's like having a digital detective's corkboard, but infinitely more powerful and dynamic. Investigators, journalists, and analysts use Maltego to build comprehensive profiles, trace digital footprints, and uncover entire networks of associates, making it an essential tool for anyone who needs to see the bigger picture in complex investigations. While Maltego doesn't provide live GPS tracking, it can deduce habits, frequent locations, and movement patterns by analyzing digital breadcrumbs left behind in online activity, giving you valuable insights into a subject's behavior. In short, Maltego turns digital chaos into clarity, transforming overwhelming amounts of raw data into organized, actionable intelligence that helps you connect the dots and see the story behind the data. Number 5 is the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET. SET automates phishing and payload delivery, tricking users into revealing credentials or installing tracking apps. It's a masterclass in exploiting human psychology, urgency, trust, authority. Even the most secure device is vulnerable if the user is deceived. SET proves the human element is often the weakest link. Number 6 is Android Debug Bridge, or ADB, a developer tool turned forensic powerhouse. With physical access or debugging enabled, ADB lets you extract data, install apps, and even pull GPS history. It's a primary tool for investigators with legal authority. Always keep USB debugging off unless you're developing. ADB is a reminder: physical security matters as much as digital. Number 7 is all about targeting the network itself, rather than just the phone in your hand. This is where SS7 exploitation tools come into play. Powerful software designed to tap into the very infrastructure that connects billions of mobile devices worldwide. Instead of hacking a single device, these tools allow attackers to manipulate the underlying network, opening up a whole new world of vulnerabilities. SS7, or Signaling System 7, is the backbone protocol that enables mobile networks to communicate across the globe. It's what lets you roam internationally, send texts, and make calls from almost anywhere. But despite its importance, SS7 is riddled with flaws, many of which date back to its creation in the 1970s, long before today's security threats were imagined. With the right access, attackers can quietly query a phone's location, intercept private calls and text messages, and even bypass SMS-based two-factor authentication. This means that even if your phone is locked down, your communications could still be at risk if the network itself is compromised. While gaining access to SS7 isn't easy and is typically limited to telecom insiders or sophisticated hackers, the threat is very real. Security researchers use these same tools to test vulnerabilities and pressure mobile carriers to strengthen their defenses, but the risk remains for everyone who relies on mobile networks. Ultimately, the biggest vulnerabilities aren't always found in your device or your apps, but in the invisible networks they depend on. These networks are vast, complex, and often overlooked, making them a prime target for those looking to exploit weaknesses on a massive scale. It's a wake-up call for telecom security, a reminder that protecting our digital lives means securing not just our devices, but the entire infrastructure that connects us all. At number 8, IMSI catchers, like Stingray, mimic cell towers to intercept phones. They force devices to connect, revealing unique IDs and enabling real-time tracking. Advanced versions can intercept calls and texts by downgrading network security. While illegal for civilians, researchers use them to develop countermeasures. It's spy gear that's all too real. Number 9 is Wireshark, the legendary network analyzer. It captures and displays network traffic, revealing unencrypted data, including location info sent by apps. Even with encryption, Wireshark exposes metadata and communication patterns. It's essential for spotting leaks and understanding how devices interact with networks. Sometimes, the network tells you more than the device itself. Number 10 is GSM Map, a tool for mapping GSM network infrastructure. It listens to cell tower broadcasts, revealing network layouts and weak points. Researchers use it to plan advanced attacks or defenses, like configuring IMSI catchers. GSM Map doesn't track phones directly, but it's vital for understanding the cellular landscape. Think of it as the blueprint for mobile network security. Number 11, OpenBTS lets you build your own GSM cell tower with software-defined radio. Any phone connecting to your network is fully under your control. You see calls, texts, and location. It's a sandbox for testing device and network security in isolation. But in the wrong hands, it's the ultimate man-in-the-middle attack. OpenBTS blurs the line between research and risk. Number 12 on our list is Snoopy NG, a powerful and somewhat unsettling Wi-Fi tracking and profiling tool that's often used by security researchers and unfortunately by hackers as well. Snoopy NG is designed to scan the airwaves for Wi-Fi probe requests, those signals your phone sends out when it's searching for networks to connect to, even when you're not actively using Wi-Fi. These probe requests can reveal a surprising amount of information, including the names of networks your device has connected to in the past. By capturing and analyzing these signals, Snoopy NG can map out not only where devices have been, but also what networks they're seeking, creating a digital footprint of your movements and habits. What makes Snoopy NG even more dangerous is its ability to impersonate trusted Wi-Fi networks. By responding to your device as if it were a familiar network, it can trick your phone into connecting automatically. Once connected, attackers can intercept your data, monitor your activity, or even launch more sophisticated attacks. By correlating the SSIDs it collects with public databases of Wi-Fi networks, Snoopy NG can geolocate devices with surprising accuracy. This allows it to build detailed travel histories, showing where a device, and by extension its owner, has been over time. It's a stark reminder of just how much information our devices broadcast into the world, often without us realizing it, simply by searching for Wi-Fi. Staying aware of these risks is crucial in today's hyper-connected world. Number 13 is Hydra, the password-cracking powerhouse. It brute forces logins for services like Apple's or Google's device tracking portals. If credentials are weak, Hydra can unlock access to built-in tracking features. It's a warning: strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication are non-negotiable. Sometimes the easiest way in is through the front door. Number 14 is Nmap, the essential network scanner. It discovers devices on a network, fingerprints them, and identifies open ports and services. On Wi-Fi, it can spot phones, map their presence, and reveal potential vulnerabilities. Nmap is the first step in any network investigation, offensive or defensive. It's all about knowing your environment. Number 15 is Kali Net Hunter, a full penetration testing suite for Android. It puts tools like Nmap, Hydra, and Metasploit in your pocket, turning your phone into a portable hacking lab. NetHunter enables field testing, Wi-Fi attacks, and even USB-based exploits. It's the convergence of mobility and cybersecurity, powerful, versatile, and portable. With great power comes even greater responsibility. That's our list: 15 powerful phone tracking tools in Kali Linux. These tools are for ethical, legal use by security professionals to strengthen systems and protect privacy. Misuse is illegal and unethical. Education and awareness are the goals here. Stay informed, stay secure, and use your knowledge responsibly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cybersecurity insights.